Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how can you use online platform to run Arduino codes and to implement different Arduino based projects through online without having any hardware. So generally we'll do a number of Arduino based projects by taking a Arduino board kit or by buying that kit, by connecting some sensors and writing a code in the Arduino software. So by running the code, the devices will execute so that the sensors will work and the output will observe. That is the general thing we do. So there are a number of online softwares and websites are there to run Arduino codes online. For example, if you type Arduino programming online in Google, so there will be number of links you can observe, like the official Arduino editor will be there. So in that you can able to write Arduino codes directly online. You can check that code, and similarly we have many number of websites. So ArduinoDev.com. So this is also Arduino online compiler. So codevendor.cc. So like that, there are many softwares are available, but the problem is, in order to work based on these websites, you need to know the code. You need to know the Arduino based C++ programming code. So if you know the coding perfectly, then only you can go through these websites so that you can create a code based on one project and you can verify that online without having a hardware and without having a hardware kit. But here I'm going to tell you about without knowing Arduino coding also. If you don't know Arduino coding at all, even then you can able to do some projects without having the knowledge of programming. Okay, so you can implement project, you can automatically create the code in the online itself. So let's see how it happens. So just type Tinkercad. So this is all happen. This can be done and possible only in this website. It is called as tinkercad.com. Okay. So this is developed by Autodesk. So just open this tinkercad.com. Here you need to sign in with account, or if you don't have any account, you can directly sign in with your Google account. So you can start tinkering. Click on this. So if you don't already having an account, you can choose this. If you don't have any account, you can directly sign in with your Google or Gmail. Select your Gmail account so that you can directly log into the tinkercad.com. So after sign in, you will observe there are number of applications where this website can be utilized. So those are here 3D designs. That means you can design any 3D design. Suppose you want to design any building structure or any other model, so you can design in 3D itself. So there are three-dimensional design online you can do if you are interested. Similarly, there are code blocks will be there. Some lessons already you can follow. But coming to your electronics, so if you want to do Arduino projects or any kind of simple breadboard related projects or any electronic circuits also, you can easily verify through online by connecting number of circuits here along with Arduino also. Suppose if you want to do Arduino projects, you need to select the circuits section. Okay, then create a new circuit. Then you can clearly observe there are on the right side of this window, you can observe a lot of electronic components will be there, like resistor, LED, push button, potentiometer, and so on. And breadboard is also there. Arduino board is there. Microbit. So there may be number of sensors are also available. Okay. So the only thing you need to do is, if you want to do any circuit connection, just drag and drop here So just drag and drop here, okay, and then simply connect these circuits by taking a wire like this, okay. So that's very simple, but our focus is to do some Arduino based projects. So then select, instead of basic, select Arduino, so that only Arduino based connections or circuits will come, okay. So there will be some default simple Arduino based projects are already available in this website. You can do this, you can take this and you can modify, or else if you want to do your own project, so simply drag and drop this Arduino board here. So this is simple LED blink circuit. So by using Arduino, I am going to blink an LED here. Okay, this is already designed project. Just simple connection is take one LED here, okay, and selecting a color. You can also select any color of the LED. Suppose here it is selected as red. Here I am changing it to yellow. So this is a resistor. You can change the value of the resistor. So just connect this. So in order to do Arduino projects, you need to know about the pin configurations of Arduino. So these are all the output pins, that is the digital pins, and this is analog pins connected as inputs, and these are the power cables or power pins. So there are many pin configurations. So if you want to know all the pin configurations, then you can also understand by using pin configurations analysis from Arduino. So that can be available online. So anything you can learn online. So if you are interested, go through these connections. So how many connections are there, how many inputs and how many output ports are there, how they can be used. So if you are interested, you need to learn about all these things, then only you can able to connect here. Okay, but simply for simple LED, since LED is a digital device, it only on or off. So that is a digital. So it is a digital output connected to any one of the pin here. So I'm connecting 13 pin directly. So it is not directly connected, but through the resistor it is connected, and automatically second pin is connected to ground. So simply, if you start simulation or if you run this, automatically the LED will glow. Okay, so LED start blinking. So why it is blinking? I have made a code based on this. Okay, for example, if you observe the code, I am stopping the simulation. If you observe the code, okay, here code means if you connect this Arduino board according to this, automatically the code will create itself. You no need to write a code. Automatically the code will be created. So you can verify this. So this is the blocks where the pin connections and instructions are given. Okay, so you can also verify like a scratch code, like how the blocks are connected. Okay, how the blocks are connected. So if you want to observe the C++ code which is directly written in Arduino software, so if you want to use that code, so select text here, then simply the direct Arduino code will be obtained. So you can easily copy this, you can copy paste this and use in your real hardware connection, and in real software you can copy paste this code and directly implement this Arduino board. So if you run this code, automatically, practically the LED will operate as you observed in this website. Okay, so this Tinkercad website is very, very useful. If you don't know, if you have very less knowledge in the coding, so don't need to write this code in your Arduino software. So without writing a code, first implement this online. So whatever the connections, whatever the sensors you have, you can implement directly online here, so that the automatically code will be displayed. So take this code, copy paste this code in your real Arduino software. Okay, so that's very, very easy. So if you are interested, if you already have some knowledge about Arduino boards, so you can go through this Tinkercad website. So you can easily done many number of projects if you are interested, based on your interested topics. Okay. So thank you very much. The next lecture video, we'll see some more examples and direct implementation of different projects based on Arduino. Okay. Thank you.